Yo, hey guys, this is Everton and I'm back for some BCBM, and I just received this mail from ING9305. I bet you can see that. So it's finally arrived my home. I'm arrived my house. Yeah, it said fragile. PS. The aspect is between those extra cuts. Smile. So let us open it up. Yeah, and let's see what we got and what we have in here. Oh, there are I think 4 ringgit with it. Oh my. Let's see. And this is the cards I buy from NG9305. It's a BCBM Crystal Edge for my collections. Ace pack. Yeah, so far so good. I bought it for about 20 ringgit for it. Yeah, so nothing much. And here's some extra. And this 4 ringgit is, I think, yeah, it's for buying the code card for it and a pack of Moshi Monster Code Breaker. I think Mashup. She called me to buy it, so yeah, I will buy it for her. So the first is from can't hold, yeah, the name of the player, and a Moshi Monster Mashup Code Breaker Noises. Let me take out them from the sleeve. So let me see what inside it is. Perhaps this, I think, if you can see, it is in bend shape, bend, yeah, not in good condition, but it's okay. I didn't play them, so I give it. You can see, it's clearly bend it. Yeah, nothing much. I put it aside and let's see for the Pokemon. Hope you are in good condition. The first one is Timber, Great Ball, Boulder, Wishma, Chlorine, Magnemite, Gororita, and this is a bit of band, if you can see. Yeah, clearly band. Yeah, nothing much. I remember this from ING9305. Yeah, please, I will put a link of her. Yeah, sorry. I'm gonna put a link to his channel. So let's check out her channel and subscribe for her. Maybe he is really maybe a good channel, YouTube channel, but I don't think that she really got to take care about this kind of card. Yeah, maybe it's not worth it, but I think you must get take care of this kind of card. Maybe it's not important for you, it's for others people. Yeah, so yeah, that's mine for today, and thanks for the cards. Yeah, thanks for watching guys. Bye, peace out, man.